So, ayon sa kanilang application, high loan amount 6,000 to 15,000 pesos. Ayan. Before we go on guys, ay disclaimer muna, ang video ito ay hindi po sponsored, hindi po affiliate sa any lending company. I'm just sharing with you guys kung anong aking na-feel, ayan, ang aking nakita sa isang lending application. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys is aking i-share sa inyo ang isang lending application na medyo disappoint nga ako guys kasi nga hindi ako satisfied dito. And ang lending application na ito ay si iPeso for VIP loan only. Ayan. So, sabi dito, for VIP loan only. Ayan. And mayroon silang 4.5 reviews or 4.5 na stars and 3K reviews. Ayan. So, ayon sa kanilang application, high loan amount 6,000 to 15,000 pesos. Ayan. And sabi din dito sa kanilang application, ayan, full online application, safe and convenient. Ayan. So, nagpapaloan daw sila ng 15,000 pesos or maximum 15,000 pesos. And with the 4 steps, ayan, ay pwede na tayong mag-loan sa kanila, ayan. As long as we provide yung mga information and everything daw ay okay na sa kanila. Ayan, and quickly, efficiently resolve emergency funding problem. Ayan. So, ayan din sa kanilang application, ayan, sabi dito na registered sila sa SEC. Ayan, meron silang SEC registered number. And credit limit is 6,000 to 15,000 pesos nga. And loan days is 91 or 120 days. Ayan. So, upon downloading guys, ay makikita natin dito na agad-agad ay yung statement or iPeso VIP statement. Yun yung privacy policy nila sa company information, iPeso VIP privacy kineme. Ayan. So, I agree natin guys. And then, may pa-welcome. Ayan. So, number para isasend sa atin yung OTP and then i-enter down natin dito. So, as a first time na maglo-loan sa kanila is login natin or mag-create tayo na account sa kanila. Ayan. So, sabi dito, permission sa ating SMS, contacts, storage, whatever. Ayan. And allow. Okay? So, ito na ang dashboard again. So, sabi dito, expected quota to apply is 15,000 pesos. And meron dito sa baba, unlimited quick loans, reloan, blah, 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 quick credit in 5 minutes. Ayan. So, check available credit. So, dito na guys, okay? So, click natin yun guys. And then, dito na tayo sa Personal Information Center. Ayan. So, tatanungin nila ang ating surname, given name, middle name pero optional, and then ID type, ID number, and ito guys yung mga ID na pwede daw sa kanila. So, UMID ID, SSS, National ID, Driver's License, Passport, Postal, PRC, Voters ID, PhilHealth, and then yung PIN ID. Ayan. So, fill in na lang natin and then yung ID number of course and tatanungin din natin yung birthday. So, ayun guys. So, nung ilalagay ko na ang birthday, ayan. So, doon na ako na-disappoint guys kasi nga hindi mapindot. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung nag-hang aking phone or nag-hang ang application nila kasi hindi ko na ma-enter ang birthday and hindi ko na rin ma-next basically. So, yan. So, wala tayong magawa, hindi tayo mag-proceed sa loan application na ito guys. So, check natin guys yung iPeso sa Google Play Store and titignan natin yung mga critical. Ayan. So, sabi dito, I have loaned multiple times in this app due hard times. It helped me. Currently, last month, September 2023, I again reloan. But sad to say right now, I haven't paid my loan. Not only that, they breached the given contract. Not only I gave 3 to 4 preference or reference people number, but by giving them access to my device, not only my private information, photos, or my gallery, but entire contacts they had access. Wale. Okay? Sabi din dito, one of the worst application. I don't know if they just get my detail after applying the loan. It took a day and it's still there's no response. Ayan. So, yun naman ay walang response. So, dito naman, you are just collecting data from applicants. So, sabi nila dito, face recognition is not working. Ayan. Face recognition is not working. So, ayun guys. So, very negative ang mga sinasabi din dito na hindi nag-work nga ang application nila. So, gano'n na ang nangyari. So, hindi na ako makapag-proceed. So, hindi ko mapakita sa inyo guys kung okay ba talaga ang application na ito o hindi. So, wala na talaga guys. Hindi ko na tinuloy. So, hindi ko na itutuloy. Ayan. So, thank you for watching and I hope na nakatulong. Hindi ko alam kung nakatulong ang loan application or ang review sa loan application na ito. So, see you na lang sa aking next video.